You guys see these things? Please tell me I'm not the only one that hates these things. I've had enough. After this trip, fixing the wheels, putting the center spikes on, I've decided I've had enough of these things. They're going into garbage. What I'm going to do instead, I'm going to get some of those rubber well nuts that they use for installing wide body kits and stuff. We're going to get those put in. So while I'm at it, since I ordered the hardware with some fancy washers for putting the skirts on so I can take them on and off easy, I went ahead and ordered some cool new neochrome hardware stuff. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to throw those in, and wow, I just realized my shirt matches the car. Neat. So we're going to throw that neochrome hardware in there, dress it up just a little bit. You know, it's not that fancy, but it's a little bit fun. So kind of ties in with all the neochrome that we did underneath of the car. So stay tuned. All right, so I had Superwife come out here and help me. I put these little grommets in here. These are basically like the rubber well nuts that they use for attaching like fender flares and wide body kits and that sort of thing. I got tired of the little push rivet things breaking off every time I got to take these skirts off. And literally you have to take the skirts off every time you want to jack the car up. So I got these well nuts, and then I got these little gems from 6-Speed, and they're actually really close. The mint color is very close to the color of the car. So I'm going to use those instead of the little push rivets, and we'll get the skirts attached. All right, everybody. Neochrome hardware is in. Those minty fresh little washers are on the side skirts. Everything's installed, looking good. Getting to the last couple of things. We got some headliner action coming up. Got to get that fixed. And who knows, we got some other stuff we can do to get this car even more shined up and ready for car shows. So next one I can think of is like 3 weeks away. So if it's going to take me 3 weeks to get the car ready, hey, at least maybe we'll make it. So again, like always, don't forget, like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think, any ways I can improve, stuff that'd be more interesting for you guys. Still trying to get to 100, so help me out. Share this on your socials. We'll talk to you later. Let's get to work.